There, welcome to Ranch House Home. This is the beginning of a journey, not a story about having everything figured out, but about learning, growing, and building a life connected to the land. For a long time, I have felt drawn to the simpler way of living, a life where you understand where things come from, where you learn skills with your own hands, and where you feel connected to the seasons around you. So I decided that I was going back to the roots of life and sharing this journey through this podcast. This isn't about escaping the modern world. It's about remembering the skills and traditions that have helped people create homes, provide for their families, and care for their lands. Why Ranch House Home? Ranch House Home was an idea that was started with simple factors. If we slow down enough, can we learn again? Learn how to grow, learn how to create, learn how to care for animals, learn how to work with nature against always fighting against it. And right now, this journey begins at this current moment. I don't have a finished ranch. I don't have acres of land. I don't have everything perfectly set up, but I do have a beginning. I have the curiosity and the willingness to learn. I also have a list of hobbies that I have picked up along the way, and some that I would absolutely love to learn. But here we are, starting with a journey and a dream